What's up everyone, it's John, AK6RD. I just got home from work and the Mercury Lite from KM3KM Electronics has arrived. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you guys what's in it. And just remember, this weekend we're going to take that baby out and juice up the hex beam. Stay tuned for power POTA. The moment I've been waiting for. The Mercury Lite has finally arrived and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Nice box, nice boxing job. Looks like it does come with a power cord. I was wondering about that myself. Looks like it comes with a power cord and some other type of RCA cord. Caution, caution. All right, here it is. Oh, she is beautiful. Nicely packaged. Nicely wrapped. There it is. Comes with the user guide. 2 hands on this. Looks like it's got a little stand. I always like to see the back of things. Cool. I think it's about 10 pounds, and I decided to use the watt cycle battery. It's a 50 amp hour battery to power this thing. The reason I went with this one was the Bioenno battery was 30 amp hour and more expensive, and the knockoff cheap Chinese ones were like $200-300. So I just kind of went with the in-between option, which is watt cycle, and I use them to power other things when I do parks on the air, and they work really good. So I just went with watt cycle and got a charger for it. Since I like to do POTA, I've been known to do POTA for like 8-10 hours a day for multiple days, so I think this should power it pretty well. Anyways, that's it. This weekend we're going to take this thing out and get it on the air. Well, since I have the amp here and the battery here, let's see if it powers up. Here's a connector that I made the other day. This could be quite interesting if I did this wrong. Measure twice, cut once. Positive, positive, positive. Looks good to me. Yep. Let's see what happens. Let me hit the switch. Oh, that's right. This battery has a on switch, which is quite strange. Moment of truth. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. Stand by for power POTA. All right, 73.